What is the course, guys? Course title. Spring for full stack students. Spring for full stack students. Let me clear one thing. This is not for outsiders. This is only for those students who joined in Naresh IT full stack Java program. For outsider, there is a separate course, boss. For outsider, there is a separate course. Is that clear? Okay. For outsiders, the course title is Spring Basics, Spring Boot and Microservices. Yeah, this course will start after 20-25 days in morning 7 a.m. slot. This session, this course is exclusively only for full stack students. Is that clear, guys? Yeah. If any outsiders are there, you can listen the class, you can attend the session, but it is not for you people. Once link is changed, you people are not allowed to study in this batch. For you, separate batch is there where end-to-end spring learning will take place. End-to-end spring learning will take place. Is that clear? Super. Okay, it's purely for full stack students. Any non-full stack developers are there? Enjoy the demo classes, enjoy the initial classes, but you cannot continue in this batch. Clear? Super. Yeah, prerequisite, boss. To attend this course, what is the prerequisites? Core Java knowledge is required, guys. Little bit of JDBC knowledge is required. Little bit of Servlet knowledge is required. Yes. You can learn JDBC Servlet knowledge parallelly, but immediately you need to have Core Java knowledge. Strong Core Java knowledge is required. I will take your personal queries at the end of the session. Everyone, please listen the session. Oh, everyone, please listen the session. Super. Prerequisite, Core Java, JDBC, Servlet. Super, boss. Next. Duration, boss. Duration. 60 plus sessions are required. 60 plus sessions are required. Timings. Timings. What is this? Yeah, up to 5:30 I have other session, guys. It will be 5:45 p.m. to 7 p.m. 5:45 p.m. to 7 p.m. Yeah, weekly 6 to 7 sessions. Weekly 6 to 7 sessions. Is that clear, boss? Right. Next. Course fee. Course fee. No separate course fee. Okay. It's a part of. It is part of what, guys? Java full stack program. Java full stack program. Understanding my statement? Super, boss. Next. Modules covered in this course. Modules covered in this course. Yes, boss. Introduction to framework. We will learn what is a framework. In Java learning, we have 3 things to learn. Java language, Java technology, Java framework. Core Java, what you are learning in core Java, Java language. What we are learning in advanced Java, they are Java technologies. JDBC, Servlet, JSP, all these are Java technologies. And Spring, Spring Boot, Hibernate, all these are the frameworks, guys. All these are frameworks. So introduction to framework we learn, boss. Then we will study Spring Core module. Spring Core module. Then we study Spring JDBC module. Then we study Spring AOP module. Then we study, okay guys, Spring Transaction Management module. Spring Transaction Management module, guys. Then we study Spring Web MVC module. Am I audible, guys? If I am not audible, please check your network bandwidth. Spring MVC module, boss. Web MVC module. This is purely for web application development, guys. Web applications development. Next, we study Spring ORM module. We study Spring Security module. Spring Security module. So these are the various modules that we are going to learn. Clear, guys? So these are the various modules, and we will study plus Java real-time tools. Along with this course, we are going to study Java real-time tools and common topics. Lot of common topics. What are the Java real-time tools we will study in this course? Super. Spring Web MVC or Spring MVC, one and the same. Spring Web MVC or Spring MVC, one and the same. Super. Java real-time tools. We study lot of tools which are required in real time. Log4j, SLF4j, Log4j, SLF4j. Okay. Next, JUnit, Mockito, Maven, Gradle, debugging, Jacaco. Super, guys. Jacaco. Lot of tools are there, boss. Jacaco. We have a Git tool. GitHub. GitHub. Agile Scrum, Jira, and many etc. Tools we will learn. Everyone understanding? Super. Lot of common topics. When it comes to common topics, boss. Yeah, these are the common topics. Resume preparation and interview tips. Resume preparation and interview tips. Next, project release process in real time. Project release process in real time. Okay, how to get software job. How to get software job. Right. Do's and don'ts. Do's and don'ts after joining the software company. Do's and don'ts after joining the software company. Are you understanding my statement? Super. Java annotations. Java annotations. We study Java beans. We study about Java beans. Right. Okay. How to show gap as experience, IT experience, Rababu. How to show gap as experience. All these are the common topics that we are going to learn. Generally on Saturday, Sundays, sometimes only on Sundays, you will be having sessions on what? Real-time tools and common topics. In other days, the spring-related discussions will take place. The spring-related discussions will take place. Understanding my statement? Super. Next, Spring Boot and microservices is not part of this course, guys. Is not part of this course. But, okay, you can attend, okay, other course that deals with what, guys? Spring Boot and microservices. Spring Boot and microservices. Microservices with separate registration. Everyone understanding my statement? That needs separate registration, that needs separate payment process. In your full stack, Naresh IT syllabus is providing only Spring course. If you are looking for Spring Boot and microservices, there is a separate course that you need to attend. Clear, guys? So for the timing, you remember, okay, Spring Boot is equal to Spring++. It is built on the top of Spring Boss. Spring++. So if you feel Spring is a small circle, if you feel Spring is a small circle, right, boss? Spring framework is a small circle. Then we will be having Spring Boot as the big circle. Then we will be having Spring Boot framework. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Super. Now listen, boss. In Java domain, we need to learn how many things? We need to learn three things. Number one, Java language, guys. Java language. Where it is covered, guys? Covered where? Covered in Core Java course. Whatever you are learning in Core Java, that comes under Java language learning, boss. Java technologies, boss. Covered in which course, boss? Advanced Java course. In fact, I can say one thing, boss. Okay, JDBC, Servlet, JSP, and etc. or Java technologies. And etc. or Java technologies. Yes or no, boss? Java technologies. Super, boss. Next, number C. Java frameworks, boss. Covered in different courses. Covered in different courses. Covered in different courses. Tell me, guys, Spring course. What's this? Covers Spring. Covers Spring framework. Nice, boss. Okay. Spring basics, Spring Boot, and microservices. And microservices. Microservices course. It's a end-to-end Spring course, boss. It is end-to-end Spring learning. Spring, Spring Boot learning. Are you understanding my statement? It covers everything of Spring. It covers everything of Spring. Covers what courses, guys? What frameworks? Covers Spring, Spring Boot frameworks. Covers Spring, Spring Boot frameworks. Super. Next, Hibernate course. Hibernate course. What is this? Yeah, tomorrow I will give technical difference between languages, technologies, and framework. Today, you just try to understand what is what. Covers, tell me, Hibernate frame. Hibernate frame. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? Tell me, in Java, what are the things we need to learn? If you want to become expert of Java domain, what are the things we need to learn, guys? Can you respond in the chat box? I would like to conduct interactive sessions. I would like to conduct interactive sessions. Please respond. Java language, Java technology, Java framework. But in market, they are available in with what names? What are the courses offering those three things, boss? What are the courses offering those three things? What are the courses offering those three things? Core Java offer Java language. Advanced Java offer Java technologies course. And okay, next one. Spring Boot microservices courses applies what? Framework courses. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Okay. For the timing, you remember like this. Java language is like raw materials. Rice granules, wheat granules. If you want to eat them, if you want to make them eatable, lot of process is there. Java technologies are like semi-finished products. What, guys? Semi-finished products. Rice powder and wheat powder. Okay. If you want to make them eatable, little less efforts are required because already semi-finished na, boss. Already semi-finished. Java frameworks are like fully finished. Almost everything is there. You have to give final touch. Like Maggi noodles, Baba noodles. Right, boss? Like Maggi noodles and Baba noodles. They are like Maggi noodles and Baba noodles. What do you say, boss? Almost everything is ready. You have to give only final touch. Super, guys. Raw materials of programming. These are raw materials of programming. Raw materials of programming. Rice, comma, wheat granules. Rice, comma, wheat granules. Yes. Super. Next, semi-finished products of programming. Products of programming. Okay, boss. What is the example, guys? Rice powder or wheat powder? Rice powder or wheat powder? Right, boss? Rice powder or wheat powder? When I say wheat powder, don't think machra babu. Atta. You will say atta na, boss. Super. Next, fully finished. Fully finished products of programming. Fully finished products of programming. Tell me, guys, what do you mean by fully finished products of programming? Maggi noodles. Noodles are Baba noodles. Maggi noodles are Baba. Everyone understanding my statement? Based on the languages, technologies are built. Based on the technologies, frameworks are built. So frameworks internally use technologies. Technologies are internally using languages. That's the reason first we learn language. Come on. I think Baba noodles means everyone aware na? Patanjali Baba noodles, Rabo. Super. Based on frameworks are built on the top of technologies. Technologies are built on the top of language. That's why our learning process also same, boss. First we learn language. Once we got some knowledge in the language, then we move to technologies. Okay, either by completing all technologies or few technology, we start learning frameworks. We start entering into frameworks. Is that clear, guys? Convinced, my dear? Super. Okay, boss. Now listen. Super, guys. Tell me, guys, what are the things we should learn to try as? What are the things we should learn to try as Java developer? Java developer. This question might be eating your brain, boss. Super. Okay, now listen. For Java fresher, you want to get into company as a Java fresher, boss. Fresher, that means 0 years experience. 0 years experience, boss. 0 years experienced. Super. Yeah, what are the things we should learn? Core Java is required. Advanced Java knowledge is required. Core Java, advanced Java knowledge. Oracle knowledge is required. Super. Spring basics, boss. Basic means some knowledge of Spring. Some knowledge of Spring, boss. Spring basics. Okay. But learning Spring basics is not mandatory. Not mandatory. Okay. But not mandatory. But becomes additional advantage if you learn. Advantage if you learn. Are you listening my statement, guys? Becomes additional advantage if you learn. Yeah, these are the Java related stuff that you have to learn, boss. In web programming, HTML, JavaScript, CSS, if possible, Bootstrap you have to learn. Bootstrap you have to learn. Understanding my statement? Okay, in Naresh IT, there is a course called CRT. Are you aware of that? In Naresh IT, there is a course called CRT, Campus Recruitment Training. What is there? Campus Recruitment. Campus Recruitment Training. Understanding my statement, boss? Campus Recruitment Training deals with the soft skills, boss. Deals with the soft skills. Deals with the soft skills. What is that? Arithmetic. Arithmetic, reasoning. Next, English, and etc. These are called soft skills. These are technical skills, now. These are soft skills, boss. This knowledge is compulsory. 50% CRT knowledge, 50% technical knowledge is required. This is for Java fresher. I hope, are you listening? Please keep yourself active and ask the question. Say yes, sir. Say no, sir. If you're active, I will be active. In online classes, since I cannot see your facial expression, your reply in the chat box are my answers. Your reply in the chat box are my answers. Sir, I will sit calm. I don't respond. Then go and watch videos in the YouTube. Na? Why are you attending live classes? If you are not interested to respond, go and watch videos in the YouTube. If you are attending live class, means you have to respond. You have to respond. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? Super. Okay. Note. DSA, data structures and algorithms. Data structures and algorithms. Tell me. Course is optional. Course is not mandatory for fresher. Mandatory for freshers. Okay. Provided. Okay. If you don't want to try in the following companies. As fresher. I hope you are understanding my statement, guys. In the following companies as fresher. A. One is Google. B. Amazon. C. D. Shah. There is a company called D. Shah company, boss. D. Shah. There is Arakil Corporation. Yeah, if you want to get job in these companies, guys, top MNCs. Along with this knowledge, you should have a DSA knowledge. Sir, I am not targeting these companies as a fresher. Then stop worrying about DSA course. Everyone clear on this point? Your aim is to get into these companies as a fresher. This knowledge plus DSA knowledge. No, your aim is not to get into this company. You want to get a job. Any company okay for me. Then stop worrying about DSA. Because for DSA, a lot of mathematical knowledge is required, a lot of hard work is required. No, sir, I will do. Then go for DSA. But listen carefully. If you want to keep yourself ready in all these areas ready, start your preparation when you are in the second year of engineering. Or at least in third year of engineering. No, sir, I will do all these things after completion of engineering means 1.5 years will go in these courses. You are very particular about getting into these companies as a fresher. Then build your dream of learning all these things from the third year of engineering. Then things will happen in your way. So already engineering completed. I'm just looking for a job. DSA goli maro. Concentrate on remaining things. Super boss. Okay. For 1+ Java experience. For 1+ Java experienced. When I say experienced, okay, not real experience, Babu. The person who is looking to show gap as experience. The people who are already doing some non-technical, non-IT jobs, but they cannot show that experience in IT industry. For those people, fake experience, Babu. After engineering, you did some non-IT job in mechanical field, electrical field, electronics field. You are not happy with that life. Someone suggested, why don't you try in software industry? That's why you started learning Java. But you cannot show that experience in the Java industry or IT industry. So those people, and you will be placing what? 1 year fake experience for those people. Another kind of people I will tell. After engineering, 1-2 years you tried for IAS, IPS kind of big government jobs. Group 4 exams, Group 3 exams, UPSC exams, but somehow success has not come. Okay, you decided not to try there further. Why? There to get the job, not only knowledge, so many other parameters also matters. Your reservations, openings, vacancies, lot of things will matter or not. Lot of things will matter or not. Come on, boss. So that's why you decided not to try much. Let's get into software industry. Let's get into software industry. And in software industry, only subject matters, boss. Your knowledge matters. Your subject, your knowledge matter. Remaining factors really does not matter in software industry. And especially in Java kind of domain, all 365 days recruitment will happen. Especially in Java kind of environment, all 365 recruitment will take place. Yes or no, na, boss? So that's why you decided to get into programming, especially Java programming. That time you'll think about showing gap as experience or not. Yeah, there are some people, boss. After engineering, they decided to take relax. They decided to relax. You enjoyed 2 years, no problem. You have become 2 years experienced guy. You enjoyed 3 years. You have become 3 years experienced guy. Some people will try to launch one or other business, boss. Somehow they failed in that business. Then they want to come back to IT industry. Those people also can show gap as experience. Those people also can think about showing gap as experience. This is the beauty of IT industry, boss. Whatever mistakes you do in life, whatever failures you get in life, all those things can be covered in IT industry, and you can still build your career in IT industry. You can still build your career in IT industry. Is it not great? IT industry is like mother. IT industry is like mother, boss. She loves everyone. Super, boss. Tell me next. Yeah. Java Fresher Topics Plus. Java Fresher Topics Plus. Java Fresher Topics Plus. Listen, guys. Yeah. One more reason to show gap as experience. Actual engineering course is for 4 years. But for betterment, you studied for 6 years. I hope you are understanding. Backlogs are there. You didn't clear for next 2 years, right? So 4 years course you studied for 6 years because you felt a lot of foundation is required. I will study in 6 years or 7 years, right? But when you come out, listen carefully. When you come out, no one likes your profile. No one likes your profile because you have a lot of backlogs and you have not completed engineering in time. That time, try to show gap as experience. When you show gap as experience, your subject matters, technology, knowledge matter, not the academic certificates. Not the academic certificates. Yes or no, na, boss? This is the one reason. Another reason, boss. Another reason I will tell. Sir, I don't have proper professional engineering degree. I'm a BCom candidate. I'm a BSc graduate, BA graduate, BBA graduate. But I want to get into IT industry. You can come. But as a fresher, some companies may not like your profile, boss. But if you try to show gap as experience, you need not to give explanation to anyone. You need not to give explanation to anyone because when you show experience, gap as experience, what matters is the resume, what you prepare, the projects, what you kept, the technologies list, what you kept, the skill set, what you kept. Remaining things does not matter. Remaining things really does not matter. Everyone understanding my statement, boss? Come on. Okay, Java Freshers Topic Plus. Okay. Spring and Spring Boot. Spring and Spring Boot knowledge is compulsory. It is not optional, it's a compulsory. Now it is mandatory for them. Super. For 2+ Java experience. For 2+ Java experience, it was. Java 1+ experienced. Topics plus. Come on, guys. Topics plus. Latecomers, please wait at the end. Again, I will revise. Latecomers, please wait. At the end, I will revise. Plus, what is this? Spring is, what is this? Microservices, web services, microservices knowledge is required. Web services and microservice knowledge is required, guys. Next, for 3+, 4+, Java experience. 3+, 4+ Java experience. Right, guys. Java 2+ experience. Topics plus. 2+ experience topics plus. Tell me, we need to have knowledge of Hibernate. We need to have knowledge of JPA. What is there? Java Persistence API. Okay. Next, design patterns. What patterns, guys? Design patterns. So more topics knowledge is required, guys. So whatever knowledge we are giving here, with this knowledge, you can show max of 4 years, in worst case 5 years experience. Don't try to keep more than that. If you try to keep more than that, they expect some management knowledge. Project management knowledge was, and they expect some full stack knowledge also. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Whatever knowledge we are getting in the classroom, with that, max to max, you can keep 3 to 4 years of experience. Someone is asking, sir, why these many things? More experience means they expect knowledge on more technologies or not? Now, otherwise, why they pay more? Why they give more salary? Common sense, ra babu. Fresher, same knowledge. X1+ same knowledge, 3+, 4+ same knowledge. Then why they will give separate treatment for experienced people? Separate treatment for experienced people. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? Are we good? Are we going good, guys? Right. Reasons to show gap as experience. Reasons to show gap as experience. Academic gaps after graduation. Sir, after +2, I discontinued my education. Can I go for gap as experience? No, minimum graduation is required in any IT industry. Maybe 1 to 2 exceptional cases will be there who don't look for graduates, guys. But most of the IT companies look for graduates. Minimum qualification is graduates. Academics gap after graduation. Academic gaps after graduation. Number 2, to show non-IT experience as IT experience. Next. Okay, guys. Next one. If you are from non-engineering, background. If you are from non-engineering background. Got it, guys? And if you take more years, to complete academics, yeah. So these are the reasons where we have to go for, where we have to show gap as experience. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? Super. I'll take all your personal questions at the end of the session. At the end of the session, I'll take all your personal queries. For the timing, you focus on the topic what I am presenting. Okay, latecomers, guys. Okay, latecomers. Title is what? Spring for full stack Java students. Full stack Java students. Right. Prerequisite core Java is mandatory. Little JDBC knowledge, little Servlet knowledge is sufficient. Duration is 60 plus sessions. Timings are 5:45 p.m. to 7 p.m. Weekly 6 to 7 sessions will be there. Okay. Course fee, no separate course fee because you already joined for Java full stack program. These are the various things that will be covered in this course, guys. Okay. Then we have gone for, okay, to get into industry as a Java developer, what are the things we should do? Those things we discussed, boss. Those things we discuss. Super. Shall we? Sir, you covered everything, but you didn't talk about course material. Okay, just a minute, guys. How to collect the course material? How to collect course material and classroom notes. Classroom notes and applications. Classroom notes and application was super. Yeah, lots of people are asking me one question. Sir, I have taken 6 years time to complete the engineering. Can I show 2 years gap as experience? Not possible. After 6 years only, whatever gap you got, that gap you can show as experience. Clear, guys? And some people are asking me one question. Sir, between +2 and graduation, 3 years gap is there. Can I show that gap as experience? Sorry, you cannot keep. Sorry, you cannot keep. From the date of completing graduation, how much gap you got, that much gap you can show as experience. Point 1. For how many days I will be treated as a fresher, sir? From how many days? For how many days I will be treated as fresher, sir? Exactly for 1 year of your graduation completion, you will be treated as a fresher. For example, 2022 June, you have completed your graduation. 2022 June, you have completed graduation. Okay, till 2023 July, you will be treated as a fresher. You will be treated as a fresher. Everyone understanding? Super. Okay, now listen carefully. These are optional, boss. Immediately not required. But core Java knowledge is immediately required. Core Java knowledge is immediately required. Clear? So how to collect course material and classroom notes and applications, boss? Okay. Initially, it will be given through Facebook. Initially, it will be given through Facebook group, guys. Facebook group. What is that? Natraj. Natraj. Natraj Java Arena. Natraj Java Arena. And later, it will be given through Google Classroom. Google Classroom. I hope you are understanding my statement, guys. Yeah, will be given through Google Classroom. Yeah, can I share the details, boss? Admin details and other details. Video URLs, boss. Yes. Here are the faculty details, guys. Nice. Here is the store. Right. Faculty details. Facebook group name, Natraj Java Arena. Facebook group URL. This is a private group, guys. Until you become member of the group, you won't get the content. This is the place where material will be given. And remember, guys, this is your batch code. What is your batch code? NTSP. NTSP, Naresh Technology Spring 6.4, NTSP 6.4, FS, NTSP 6.4 FS. FS for full stack, Naresh Technology Spring, and 64 is the batch code. Are you understanding? If you already joined, fine and good. If not joined, try to become member of the group. I'll share the same details here, boss. NTSP 6.4 FS. Yeah, everyone please collect. I pasted in the chat box, guys. I pasted in the chat box. Everyone please collect. Everyone please copy paste. Yeah, classroom notes, class material, applications, everything will be shared through Google Class. Okay, guys. Now next, few more details to share, guys. Yeah, the people who are looking for advanced Java course, it will be started in the month of February. Right. Next. What things are required to become Java full stack developer? What things are required to become Java full stack developer? Everyone understanding my statement, boss? Okay. Yeah. What things are required to become Java full stack developer? Listen, guys. Java developer is like bowler or batsman. Java full stack developer. Are you understanding? Okay. Java full stack developer is like, what is that? All-rounder. Is like all-rounder. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Okay, boss. How to become Java full stack developer, guys? Right. Now listen. The Java full stack developer should have subject knowledge in 6 domains. Subject knowledge in 6 domains. How many domains, guys? 6 domains. What they are? Number 1, Java domain. Number 2, testing domain. Number 3, database domain, DB domain. Okay, I will write completely. Database domain. Number 4, UI domain. UI technologies was user interface domain. Number 5, DevOps. DevOps domain. Okay. Number 6, cloud domain. Are you getting my point, guys? What is there? Cloud domain. If you have knowledge on all these 6 areas, then you will be called as Java full stack developer. What, guys? Java full stack developer. Clear, my dear? Okay, first, number 1, Java domain. In Java domain, what are the things we should learn? Yeah, multiple things we have to learn, guys. What are the multiple things? Core Java, Advanced Java, Spring Boot, microservices, Hibernate, design patterns, and etc. I hope you are understanding my statement, guys. Come on. Yes, guys. All your personal questions will be addressed at the end of the session. Can you be part of the discussion? Everyone, please focus. Can you use your brain on the listening process? Right. Database domain, guys. Second one, database domain. Yeah, what are the things we should learn, guys? Oracle or MySQL. But in this Oracle and MySQL, SQL and PL SQL both. You have to learn SQL and PL SQL both, boss. Nowadays, little demand is there for MongoDB kind of NoSQL database software. This is comes under what, guys? NoSQL database software. And this SQL, PLSQL is purely part of Oracle or MySQL. MongoDB. It's not Mango, it's Mongo. Next, guys. 3. Testing domain. Testing domain. Yeah, we should learn manual testing compulsory, boss. Manual testing is required and Selenium is required for automation test. Selenium is required for automation test. Number 4, guys. Number 4. What is number 4? Tell me. What is number 4? What is number 4? Tell me. We should have UI technologies. UI technologies domain. User interface. UI means user interface, boss. Yeah, there what we should learn. HTML, JavaScript, CSS, Bootstrap, tell me, Angular, React.js, and etc. React.js and etc. Number 5, DevOps domain. DevOps domain, guys. Screen is not showing. Check your network bandwidth. DevOps domain. There are tools, guys. Lot of tools that we have to learn. Git you have to learn. Git you have to learn. Git you have to learn. Maven tool, Gradle tool, Docker tool, Jenkins tool. Come on. JUnit tool, Mockito tool, and etc. Tools are there. Lot of tools are. Number 6, cloud domain. What do you mean by cloud, guys? Taking hardware, software, infrastructure services on rental basis, using them for our project development and execution, and forgetting them. Virtual storage, virtual software, virtual network, everything is virtual. Very simple, Rabo. I want to develop project for Citibank. Okay. For development, some setup is required. For execution, bigger setup is required. After releasing the project execution, bigger setup will be there because real data, real customer, more customers, more requests, more security, banking, na boss. Listen, earlier days, before arrival of the cloud, the company who is developing that project, let us assume Polaris company is developing, CTS is developing. They used to create that hardware, software infrastructure by investing crores of rupees in India. Once it is released to Citibank, to receive the project, to install the project, and to make that project running smoothly for all the customers of Citibank 24/7. Again, they used to invest crores of rupees to create the infrastructure. So lot of money is wasted or not, boss? Lot of money got wasted or not? So that's why, okay, cloud has come into picture. Cloud says, I will provide same hardware, software, network infrastructure on rental basis. From your simple laptops, connected to cloud. Use my hardware setup, my software setup, my network setup to develop the project, to test the project. Also use the same setup to even execute the project when it is released. Okay, once everything is over, forget about me. But when you are using my services, my hardware, my software services, pay rent for me. Pay some lease amount for me. I will take care of security. I will take care of everything. Is it not interesting, boss? Come on, everyone. I want reply. So lot of burden on the software companies is reduced. Lot of burden on client organization who are developing project is reduced. Is it not interesting? It's something like this, Ra Babu. You got a job in Delhi, but you don't know how many days you will do that job. Better to purchase a new home in Delhi, or better to take home on rental basis in Delhi? Rental basis in Delhi. Once work is over, when you got job in USA, you move there. There also you purchase another home on rental basis. There also you purchase home on rental basis in rental. Yeah, cloud also same thing. Okay. Yeah, popular ones are AWS, Amazon, Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services is nowhere related to Java Web Services. Boss. Next, Windows, Azure, GCP, Google Cloud Foundry, GCP from Microsoft, GCP from Google, GCP from Google, guys. Right, boss? If you become good in all the 6 domains, then you will be called as Java full stack developer. Sir, so many things are there to learn, sir. That's why, can I give one simple suggestion? Okay. Can I give one simple suggestion? Yeah, what is that, Okay. In the first year itself, don't target to become full stack developer. First become Java developer, Babu. First become Java developer. Take the time of 2 years or 3 years and target to become full stack developer. Take the time of 2 years or 3 years and the target to become full stack developer. Clear, my dear? Got the clarity, boss? Because it's practically impossible to learn all these things, to become expert of all these things in the duration of 6 months or 1 year. You will become mental and you will go to Pagalkhana. Yes or no, na? So that's why, what is the conclusion? On learning process. Conclusion or suggestion, whatever it is, boss. Okay. First, aim to become Java developer. First, aim to become Java developer. And take 2 or 3 years time to become Java full stack developer. Otherwise, pressure will be more on you, boss. Okay, guys. Pressure will be more on you. Pressure will be more on you. You may hate IT industry. You may run away from IT industry if you try to learn all 6 domains in 6 months. Practically impossible, boss. But sir, I want to do that. Then what you do? You start learning this full stack course from the second year of engineering or third year of engineering, at least from fourth year of engineering. And after joining in the job also, you have to learn many things. Learn those things that are related to become full stack developer. Once you become full stack developer, change the company, you will get a big package. I am a full stack developer. But overnight, I have not become full stack developer. I have taken my own time to become full stack developer. Everyone understanding my point? Maybe it may be a little bit discouraging statement for full stack students, but I have to tell the fact as the guy from industry, as the guy running my own startup. I have my own startup, guys. Okay. As the consultant of 2 software companies, I have to guide you in a right manner. You may scold me, you may feel wrong about me, but I have to tell the fact. Sir, I already started learning long back, sir. I started learning all this thing in the third year of engineering, fourth year of engineering. Then you target full stack developer as a fresher only. Understanding? As a fresher only. Super, boss. Shall we get into the next lesson? Conclusional learning process. Super, guys. Now listen, guys. Pay packages. Acha, pay packages are not so important. Okay, how to arrange projects while showing gap as experience. Tomorrow I will get into the subject, boss. Today, let's clear all your conceptual doubts, basic doubts. How to arrange projects while showing gap as experience. To keep in the resume. While showing gap as experience. Shall we start that, guys? Super, boss. One more thing. IT, non-IT, such difference are not there. Until you complete core Java, you can say I'm a non-IT student. Once you complete core Java, all are same. Why? Because the people who did engineering in CS background, IT background, they also don't know anything. The only difference is non-IT student, for them, every terminology is new. For IT students, some of the terminologies are new. For how many months? 2 months, 3 months. How many months? 2 months, 3 months. Understanding my statement? After that, all are equal. First, come out of the psychological feeling. I am non-IT, you are IT kind of thing. IT students just can recognize headings and side headings. Headings and side headings. No one knows content of those headings and side headings. First, come out of psychological feeling. Clear, boss? Super. How to arrange projects to keep resume in, boss? Number 1 option. Collect from working friends and relatives. Next, guys. Number 2. Collect from working friends and relatives. Collect from pre-projects of GitHub. GitHub.com. GitHub.com. Collect from pre-projects of GitHub.com. Next, join Java real-time project course offered by Naresh. Next. Okay. Use the mini projects. Use the mini projects of your courses. In your course also, you will be learning a lot of mini projects. You can take them and you can use them. You can take those courses and you can use them projects. Everyone got it, guys? Okay. Sir, how to arrange the documents? There are consultants, there are organizations providing fake documents. First, learn subject. Once you are ready with the subject, you talk to any senior who got into industry by showing gap as experience. He will guide you how to arrange those documents. You are not getting anyone such, mail me, I will help you. Mail me, I will help you. That is not main thing. Main thing is gaining the knowledge. More you learn, more you keep in the resume. More you keep in the resume, more discussions in the interview. More discussions means, okay, more satisfaction to interviewer. You can demand more package. How many things you learn, how many things you keep in your resume, that much package you can demand, guys. That much subject you can gain, that much package you can demand. Super. So run after subject, not run after salaries. Okay, your salary is byproduct. Java subject learning is your product. As long as your product is good, byproduct will be good. As long as your product is good, byproduct will be good. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? Super. Right. Yeah. In my startup and openings are there, I will let you know. In my startup and openings are there, I will let you know. Okay. Everyone, please observe how I am keeping the notes in the Facebook. Yeah, this is the URL, guys, where I am keeping my notes. It's saying create new account. Why so? Oh. Okay, I entered wrong password. I entered wrong password. What is the new password I have taken? Google Classroom will be given once the link is changed. Google Classroom will be given once the link is changed. Yes, guys. Yeah, Matras Java. It is there. How to go to my group, guys? Yes, this is the group. Super. Listen, upload file, guys. What is your course? Spring FS64 intro. I'll take all your question. Please wait 1 minute. Jan 18th, listen. NTSP 64 FS is batch code, date, and title of the notes, introduction to course. It will be available here. Super boss. Now, here 3 dots are there now. Click on download. When you click on download, material will be downloaded, guys. Click on download. Material will be downloaded, boss. Go to downloads folder, guys. Go to downloads folder. Yes, it has come now. Just right click, open with paintbrush. You will get entire notes here or not. This is not our notes. Okay, 1 minute. Where is our notes? Acha, 1 minute. It came, boss. Yeah, let me download our notes. 3 dots, download, downloaded. Super. Go to download section, boss. Yes. Yeah, our notes has come. Paintbrush. Earlier, I have not refreshed, boss. Entire notes is with you now, boss. Whatever I talked today, the entire notes is with you now. Okay. Now I'll take your all your queries, guys, one by one. If you don't have FB, wait until I create Google Classroom. Yeah, I'll take one by one. Please don't repeat your question. I'm taking one by one. Is Core Java certification is mandatory, optional nowadays? Is there any vacancy for Java or Oracle in your company? If there, I will let you know. I don't have FB. Wait until I create Google Classroom. Then you will get old and new notes both. Without Servlet JDBC, can I join in this course? Sachin, you can. But parallelly, make sure that you are learning Servlet. 1 year on bench, what knowledge is required? 1 year on bench means indirectly 1 year experienced only. Whatever topics I have given for 1 year experience, you learn those things. Next, Shaikat Roy. Shaikat Roy. I completed BTech in 4 years on previous year and attending this full stack Java program from last 7 months. Will there be any problem? Please suggest me. I am little good in data structure. Shaikat Roy, if you are concentrating on data structure, just go by Java with the data structure. There's no need of learning other part of full stack course. Next, Boya, Mr. Boya. I don't have FB. Is it mandatory to install it? Optional like Google Classroom. Yeah, if you want to get initial notes, Facebook is mandatory. Otherwise, wait for 1 week, Google Classroom will be given. When is your advanced Java batch will start? My advanced Java batch will start in the month of February. Okay. Himanshu Rathore. I'm 3rd year BTech student. I'm confused between business and job. Decided to become entrepreneur. I want to open my own software company. So I got experience both software and business. Sir, what things I need to learn? I want to become Mr. Natraj Chaudhary. Okay, Himanshu. My suggestion is work for a few days in a software company, try to understand technical stuff, and at the same time parallelly observe business model, then think about starting a company. This is my suggestion. Rest is yours. How to practice? Every day I will give applications, you can practice them. I will give assignments and you have to submit them. Rahul Gaur. I have no academic gaps, but I have done BSc Computer, MSc Maths, B.Ed. Now I am MCA final year. Will the previous qualification create any problem during the interview? No problem, but you unnecessarily taken wrong route to come to IT industry. Rahul, you have unnecessarily taken long route to come to IT industry. But you can do one thing. If you want to get big job, big salary, you can go by MSc. After MSc Maths, you have got, I think, 3-4 years gap. 3-4 years time you spend on BEd and MCA that you can show as experience to get it. Recently, I completed Core Java. May I join in this course? Niranjan, you can join. You can do Advanced Java, this course parallelly, no problem. What's my company name? ATS. When will when will your advanced Java batch will start? When will your advanced Java batch will start? In the month of February, guys. Is there any opportunity for fresher? Right now, December, January month now, openings will be dry, boss. But from the month of March, everything will be normal. Facebook request I will accept after the class. Where to search for job? Bangalore is the right place because a lot of startups are there. Okay, when will be advanced Java batch start? In the month of February. Good evening, sir. Some non-related doubt irrespective of current topic. I'm 2020 passed out graduate. Currently, I'm waiting Mindtree onboarding. They sent me offer letter in last April. Still joining. Since lot of projects are on hold, boss. Companies are not giving joining dates. So it may be negative reply also at the end. So that's why better to try for alternate jobs. Better to try for alternate jobs. My BTech mechanical is correspondence. Is it valid for Java? Array, software companies don't bother about how you did your course, boss. How you completed your academics. They bother about what technologies you are keeping in the resume. Are you good in that or not? Okay. Where can I know the openings in our company? I will announce. Don't worry. Sir, I have joined React JS. Can I learn this now? Ram Reddy, if you are planning to become Java full stack developer, this is good to go. After this, can we get placement? Okay, Rashika, definitely you will get placement, and Naresh ID is providing placement guarantee program also. Super. K Lalita, Google Classroom link will be created only for valid student, that too after changing the link. I'm a BSc graduate student. Can I get job as a fresher? Definitely you can get, but few companies may not like your profile, but don't disappoint. How much Servlet JSP knowledge is required to then this batch? Immediately Servlet JSP knowledge is not required. Basic core Java is sufficient. So if you have Servlet JSP knowledge, it will be helping in the rest of the course. Immediately not required. My advanced Java batch starts in the month of February. I'm working as a fresher in IT company. I have completed my studies 2021 December. I got job on March 2020. Now I'm bench. It may be going to complete 1 year for me. Also maybe 1 year gap. Yeah, Shuma, you can happily try 1 year gap as experience. Microservice come under what course? Spring Boot and microservices. Okay, in full stack Java course, microservice is not included. Spring Boot and microservice is not included. That's a separate course. You have to register it for separate. Okay. CRT course is offered in Naresh ID. Contact the admin. In this Spring MVC will be covered or not? Yes. Spring MVC will be covered. In this batch, Spring MVC only will be covered, not Spring Boot MVC. I completed core Java recently, but advanced Java not yet started. Can I join this course? You can do advanced Java, this course parallelly, no problem. My mail ID I already shared with you people, right? This is my mail ID. Jayanta Behra, I have given my mail ID too. Okay. Sir, we will get placement if you are not 100% placement batch. Definitely placement will be there, boss. Placement will be there. You have to clear Naresh IT screening test, then placement will be taken care by Naresh IT. Or if you have a subject, lot of companies are there offering you job. Sir, we will get mock interviews. Yes, lot of mock interviews will be conducted for you, don't worry. What will be the starting package as a Java developer for a fresher? Minimum 4 lakhs and good college, DSA knowledge, more knowledge on technology. You may get up to 12 lakhs also. You may get up to 12 lakhs also. I'm not paid for job guarantee program. After completion of course, can I pay for job guarantee? That you need to talk to admin once, boss. Sir, I request your page in Facebook. I will accept all your requests after the session. My new Spring Boot and microservice batch will start in the month of February. Good evening, sir. I have 1.6 years of gap. I was prepared for government job. How to overcome this gap? You can show that 1.6 years experience, boss. You can show that gap as experience. I'm a BCA passed out student 2022, 1 year experience add or not. Definitely you can add it, boss. No problem. Definitely. Please don't repeat your questions. Lokesh, I have 4 years experience in IT industry in the tech support. I worked at startup companies in my native. After that, worked at HCL. Also, but support last year, I joined Accenture as a Java backend developer. Worked more than 8 months, but after that, I was not able to handle the pressure because I learned Java from YouTube. So now I have 1 year experience. What should I now, sir? Lokesh, continue Accenture if you are still in the job. Okay, parallelly learn Java perfectly, then switch the job. Then switch the job. If you are not there in the job, by attending multiple classes per day, complete and practice Java perfectly, then try for next job. What about Angular framework, sir? It is also Java, right? No, sir. It's a UI technology. Naresh, IT screening test contains, sir. Screening test contains exam. Some few questions will be there with respect to the course you learned. If you do well, okay, if you do well, placement will be taken care by Naresh IT. Right. Vardasai, I was civil 21, but still searching for job. Now I'm under fresher or I need to put a fake experience. For 1 year only, you'll be treated as a fresher, boss. So it's better to show gap as experience. It's better to show gap as experience. I'm a BCA student, passed out 2022. 1 year experience, add or not. You can happily show, boss. But 2022, it's only 6 months. By the time this course completes, you are ready, you can show 1 year experience. I've completed Java, Rakil DB, Naresh IT, but not full stack course, separately completed. But I want to learn Spring. Can I join in this course? Sheikh Subani, this is only for full stack student. Wait for February month. There my end-to-end Spring course will be started. Anil Kumar Shetty, I have completed BTech 2021. After that, I learned core Java, advanced Java, and Naresh IT. I was searching for a job. What can I do? Okay, try to learn Arakil boss along with that, and you can try as a fresher. Market will be bit dry till March, guys. After March, you try, you will get the job. Nowadays, MNCs are not giving joining for fresher. Yeah, boss. Because of recession, they are holding the positions. Okay, they are waiting market to settle down. Mostly everything will be good by the month of March. But now utilize this time to upgrade your skills. Once the market is open, you can grab the first opportunity. Spring Boot and microservice important for full stack Java student. Trying as a fresher, not required. If you are not trying as a fresher, required. Sir, if you don't mind, when will advanced Java batch starts? I'm waiting for your class, sir. Okay. Srinath, in the month of February, advanced Java batch will start. There is a 2 years gap between BCA and MCA. What should I do? You can show that gap as experience, boss. Why? Because it's after graduation, na? Super. Non-IT experience we can add or not, sir. Don't add non-IT experience, boss. You try to show only IT experience in the resume. How many projects will be developed? We can add them in the resume, sir. For a max of 9 months for each project. Then count it. Max of 9 to 12 months for each project. How do I develop my coding exercise? Sai Reddy, respond to assignment, take the exercises. That's the only way to improve your coding. But keep your core Java knowledge correct. How and from where you have studied Java full stack, get in-depth knowledge, how we can get that knowledge like you. It comes with practice, it comes with experience, it comes with the dedication. If you have these three things, definitely one day you will become more bigger than me. Please include your advanced Java batch in full stack developer course. Sir, please. Sudarshan Kadam, you have to talk with management on this. Is this class only online? Yeah, this class is completely online, guys. How do I develop my coding exercise? Again, just now I answered your question. When will be conducting screening test at Naresh IT? Mostly from the month of March, they will start doing it. They'll start doing it. Monica, 2018 passed out, want to show 1 year experience, 2 years experience on MuleSoft. Will it be possible, sir? What are the things to be taken? Consider, kindly answer. Madam, I am not here to guide you about MuleSoft. Please, please ask Java related questions. Super. Sai Reddy, please don't repeat your questions. You are repeating same question multiple times. Sir, I will join advanced Java course next month by you. Before that, may I join in this course? If to learn this course, Core Java is the main prerequisite. You can do this course and Spring course parallelly. Not a problem. How many maximum sessions you will take for this one? 60 to 70 sessions will come. 60 to 70 sessions will come. Okay. Saurabh, tomorrow onwards, Spring course will start. Okay. Can I learn Java full stack course and Python course? Sumit, travel on one domain. So it's better to travel in Java domain. Python scope is very less in the market. I'm working as a QA in data annotation field for 2 years. Can I show that experience as Java developer? Need to show fake experience. Okay, QA knowledge you cannot show as a Java experience, boss. Better to show better fake experience. Akash Sharma, this batch is purely for full stack student. Outsiders are not allowed. Outsiders are not allowed. Super. Amit Kumar, I don't mind taking offline classes. Okay, I'm just waiting call from the management to conduct the offline classes. Will you teach Hibernate? Except Core Java, everything else I will teach in full stack. Okay, guys. How and where to search? Regular job portal websites are more than sufficient for search the jobs. Right. Are you going to take real-time project batch? Yes. Okay. This course is only for full stack student. Outsiders are not allowed. Outsiders are not allowed. How can I show 1 year experience without job, sir? Yeah, by gaining knowledge by arranging fake documents. Okay. I'm 2022 MCA passed out. Will I go as fresher or experienced? For next 1 year, you will be treated as a fresher. 2023 June, you will be treated as a fresher. Design pattern course new batch. We are planning, boss. Once the slot is free, we will let you know. When will be the project done? At the end of the course. At the end of the course, one mini project, in the middle, other 3-4 mini projects. I have completed AWS, sir. Is it necessary to do Azure? If you learn, fine and good. If you don't learn, you can learn on your own also. What is the fee for Java real-time project? I think 8,000 is the fees. When new Spring session will start, new Spring batch, Spring Basic, Spring Boot and microservice batch will start in the month of February. Guys, if I miss anyone's question, please mail me. Okay, I hope I answered all your questions. Tomorrow we will meet